Hello everybody, this is Nora, and I don't know how many times have any of you guys done this, but I have begun to do my introduction to this video without not even pushing the play button or the record button. So here I am again, not that you will know anyway had I not told you, but that's why I'm just kind of laughing on my own here. So today I am going to attempt to do the Veil Water Marble. Yes, and the reason I say attempt is because I have tried to do it before, but I had no luck with the polish sticking to whatever the sharp tools that I use, whether it was my orange wood sticks, toothpicks, or the needles, or what have you. But hopefully with some hints and tips that I've gotten from Gayleen and watching a couple of other videos, going back to and referring back to them, hopefully I will have better success today. And what I want to do, so I have started out with on my nails what I currently have. It's an easy peel off latex, from Beauty Big Bang, this white one that works really well. It's very watery. It's watered down. It's well watered down, so it's nice. It goes out thin enough for a temporary gel mani. So that's what I'm going to do, because I am going to use this One Step black gel from Pure Joy as a base for my silver chrome. I have been craving silver chrome nails for a while. I have not done them in quite some time. So yes, I want to do my black veil over this silver chrome and see how they look. This silver chrome is from, I believe it's the Aurora Nails. So I will have the links down in the description bar below if you guys have questions, or feel free to ask and I'll be happy to answer. So I will go ahead and begin with the gel application, then I will move on to the chrome application prior to the water marble. Okay guys, so I figure let me go ahead and stop here midpoint and give you a look on what I have accomplished so far. And having done this now, I really do not want to stop here. So this is totally, I did some cleanup, finished the cleanup around my pinky. This is without top coat, any top coat. And with my attempt of doing this butterfly right here, now I am very, very tempted to trace some white lines to make these appear more like flowers. I really want to do that. I don't know how successful I will be at doing that at all, and if anything, on camera. So I am going to attempt to work on my middle nail off camera, and then if I feel brave enough, I'll come back and show you the rest. And then we'll finish these up. So I will be right back, and hang on tight. Alrighty guys, so here you guys have it. This is the final result. This is how these nails, they just kept evolving. And yeah, so I ended up finishing them up with some embellishments. I figured, hey, let's just go all the way. And this right here, it's actually some caviar Swarovski that I've had it for the longest and never even used it before. I hope they turned out good for pictures. I've not taken pictures yet, and there is no sun outside, so hopefully stay tuned for the revealing pictures, and hopefully those will turn out really good. So what do you guys think? Yeah, I went ahead and got braved on outlining and making these into a flower and butterfly nails out of the veil technique. So I thought it was pretty neat. I wanted to try something different, and it just kept evolving, as you guys can see. And the antennae for the antennas for the butterfly, I did not brave drawing those out. I actually cheated and stamped them off of this butterfly plate that I've had. And this plate, this was actually a gift, guys, but if you're curious, there's the stamped plate, and it's a round plate. So yeah, this is final result after final cleanup and top coat. So as you saw, I did show you that the white outline, I use gel polish. That's what allowed me to go very fine with it, and I just finished everything with a gel top coat as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.